This is cad yellow. And I'm introducing a bit of light red into the mix. Bit of intense red up there. I'm going to switch to the blues, so I'm going to clean the brush. Bit of ultramarine. These are like distant trees, so I'll just let them fade off. Let's do it up there, something like that. And then just putting down loads of reflections. Let's set these up a little bit higher. I'm going to switch to the sword liner and just put in some just fines. Let's take another colour. Bit of red, bit of predominantly blue. And just some faint lines. Let's just flick these up. Remember, just putting the reflections at the same time as you're going along. Now, a lot of these just fade away. Come back to that in a minute. For the time being, let's go into some burnt umber. Bit of that red, bit of burnt umber. Bit of blue, just a general dark mix really. And we've just got some bit of land you can just see in the distance. Let's just sort of square that brush off a bit. Just sort of something like that. And a bit of darker stuff there. Again, back in with the sword liner. Bit of brown, bit of blue. Just pop a few more of these in. Actually, don't forget to pop. Thanks for watching. You can watch the full video demo of this one at patreon.com/Stephen Cronin.